Keep This Feeling. It's choreographed by Darren Bailey. It is a 64 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance with restarts on walls 1, 3, and 5, all after 48 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the full 64 count dance using steps and counts. We'll then practice it all the way through with steps and counts facing the front. We'll then talk about the restarts, and we're going to practice doing a 48 count restart onto the back wall so that you know where it all happens. We're then going to go around and do a few walls of the dance so you know how it all flows, and you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Keep This Feeling. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to rock your right foot into the right diagonal. So we're going to rock our right foot forward into that diagonal, recover back onto your left. You're now back at 12 o'clock. We're going to weave right behind, left side, right cross. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder to face 9 o'clock, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right. You're at 3 o'clock, and you're going to do a left coaster step, left back, right together, left forward. Let's try that part with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking into the right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to skate right and left. So you're going to take your right foot, you're going to bring it in towards your left, and then you're going to push it out to the right diagonal, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to do that with the left, bringing your left toe into your right, push it out into the left diagonal, taking weight onto that left foot. We're now going to do a right diagonal shuffle. So we're going to step our right foot into about the 430 diagonal, stepping right, bring your left foot next to your right, right foot forward into that diagonal. We're now going to do a cross side heel. So we're going to cross our left over our right. We're going to quickly step our right foot to the right side and put your left heel into the left diagonal. You're going to step your left foot next to your right, and we're going to cross our right over our left. We're going to now make a half turn over our left shoulder, keeping our weight on our left foot. You're going to unwind, facing 9 o'clock, weights on your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our coaster step, weights on our left foot. You're going to skate 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot. You're facing 9 o'clock to start section 3. Section 3, we're going to hitch our right knee up. You're going to slide, doing a big step to the right. And now you're going to do a left sailor step, left behind, right out, left out. You want your feet to be about shoulder width apart for this part. We're now going to come up on the balls of both feet. We're going to swivel our heels to the left. Now we're going to swivel both heels to the right, and we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, putting our weight onto our left foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. We're going to do a half turning shuffle over our left shoulder. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping our right foot to the side. You're going to bring your left foot into your right, and you're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right to face 12 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. We just unwound, so our weight is on our left foot. We're going to bring our right knee up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, we're going to step back with our left, and you're going to do a body roll if you would so choose to. If you don't want to do a body roll, you're just going to step back and hold. If you're going to do the body roll, you're going to start with your shoulders, and as you step back, you're going to roll and sit. We're now going to step back with our right and do that body roll or a hold, roll and sit. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, step left, step right, and you're going to do a big step forward with your left, bringing your right foot into your left and stepping together. So let's try that part with some counts. We just did our half shuffle back. Weight is on that right foot. You're going to step back with your left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 5, we're going to do heel swivel. So you're going to take your right heel, you're going to swivel it out and in, taking weight onto that right foot. You're now going to swivel your left heel out in, taking weight onto your left foot. We're going to do a big step forward with our right, step your left foot next to your right. We're now going to do toe switches. So you're going to point your right toe out to the right side, step it right next to left, point your left toe out to the left side, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do a step half pivot. So we're going to step forward with our right and over our left shoulder. You're going to make a half pivot, putting your weight onto your left foot, and now you're at 6 o'clock. So let's try that part with some counts. We just step together. We're swiveling our heels out. It's 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And you're facing 6 o'clock. From here to start section 6, we are going to do Dorothy's to the right and the left. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, bring your left foot in and behind your right, quickly step your right foot forward into the diagonal. You're now going to repeat that with your left. Step your left foot forward into the diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're at 12 o'clock. And now we're going to do 2 quarter pivots or touches over our left shoulder. You're going to make a quarter turn, touching your right toe to the side. Recover back onto your left foot. Make another quarter turn, touching your right toe to the side, and recover. So let's try that part with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your 2 Dorothys. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Weight is on your left foot. When we do our restarts, this is where you'll be restarting, rocking that foot into the right diagonal on walls 1, 3, and 5. Section 7, we're going to rock forward with our right foot. So we're going to rock towards 6 o'clock, recover back on your left. Now over your right shoulder, in place, we're going to do kind of like a full turning triple, but it's going to stay in place. We're coming back to 6 o'clock. So over your right shoulder, you're going to make a half turn, stepping down onto your right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your left next to your right, and make a quarter turn, stepping your right down to return to 6 o'clock. From here, we're going to do a cross-side sailor. So we're going to cross this left over our right, step your right foot to the side, and you're going to do a left sailor step, left back, right out, left out. So let's try that part with some counts. We're rocking forward on that right foot. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 8, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do another cross-side sailor, starting with our right foot. Cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the side. We're now going to do a right sailor step, right behind, left out, left, right out. You're now going to cross your left over your right. You're going to do a big slide back with your right, dragging your left heel into your right foot. And now you're going to step down onto your left foot, but it's going to be slightly into the diagonal, step down. Weights on your left foot, you're slightly angled, off-centered towards 730 or the back diagonal, ready to start the dance all over again. So let's try that part with some counts. We just did our sailor step. You're going to do your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready to start over again. When you step down, you don't want to step far into that diagonal. When you're dragging it in, you just want to step down on it comfortably, taking weight onto that left foot, ready to start all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, one time with steps, one time with counts, and then we'll talk about the restarts. Weight is on your left foot. You're rocking into the right diagonal. Rock, rock. Recover, weave behind, side, cross, quarter forward, half back, left, coaster, step, skate right, left, right diagonal, shuffle, cross side, heel, ball, cross, half unwind, weights left, hitch, slide, sailor, step, swivel left, swivel right, weights left, half shuffle back, body roll back, step forward, forward, big slide together, heel out, out, slide together, point out, step, step, half pivot. Dorothy, and step, half pivot, quarter touch. Now you're doing your rock, recover, half, quarter, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, sailor, step, cross, back, drag, step. Weights on that left foot, ready to start all over again. Let's do it facing the front with some counts. Rocking into that right diagonal. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance. So now let's talk about all the restarts. So it's going to be nice and easy. They all happen at the same place, on the same wall, facing the same way, which makes it much easier to think about. So whenever we're doing this front wall, you are going to dance 48 counts, which is up to your step, half pivot, touch, touch, to return to that back wall. Every single time, that's where you're going to restart. So let's dance up to that part. We're rocking into the right diagonal, rock, recover, weave behind, side cross, quarter forward, half back, coaster, step, skate, skate, diagonal shuffle, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, half unwind, hitch, slide, sailor, step, swivel, swivel, half shuffle back, back tub, back roll, step, step, big slide together, swivel and slide together, point and step, half, Dorothy and step, half quarter touch, touch. On this part of the dance, every single time, you're going to now rock into the diagonal and weave and start the dance all over again. So now we're going to turn around and we're going to dance all 6 walls of the dance so that you can practice all 3 restarts so you know how this whole dance flows. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we're going to do counts. Weights on that left foot, starting with your right rock into the diagonal, diagonal rock. Recover, weave behind, side cross, quarter, half, coaster, step, skate, skate, diagonal shuffle, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, half unwind, right, hitch, slide, left, sailor, step, swivel, swivel, half shuffle back, body roll back, walk, walk, slide together. Right heel, right step, together, right, step, step, half pivot. Dorothy and step, half pivot, quarter touch. Restart. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, weave, behind, side, cross, quarter, half back in your coaster step, skate, skate and diagonal shuffle, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, unwind, hitch, slide and sailor step, swivel, swivel right, shuffle back, back roll, walk, walk, slide together, right heel, left heel, slide together, right toe, left toe, step, half pivot, Dorothy and step, half quarter touch, restart, diagonal, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, recover, weave, quarter half back, and your coaster step. Skate, skate, diagonal shuffle, cross side heel ball, cross half unwind, right hitch, slide in your sailor step, swivel, swivel right, half shuffle, back roll, walk, walk, slide together, heel and slide together, point and step, half pivot, Dorothy and step. Tap and touch, restart. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then that is the end of the dance. I hope this helps you learn. Keep this feeling. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.